Let me show you all of the screenshot methods on Samsung Galaxy S26. So first of all, I should mention that I'll be showing you all the traditional screenshot methods, because if I would like to show you all of the methods, it would be nearly impossible, as there's a countless ways to do those screenshots. I will show you the gestures for it mostly. So let's open the settings on our device. We can then navigate to the advanced features, and here select the motions and gestures first. Inside you'll be able to find palm swipe capture, and to do that you'll need to perform a swipe like this on your phone with the side palm. So it should work like that, and that way we just captured a screenshot. Another way to take a screenshot with this is to click on the button and volume down button, the side button and volume down button. So those two buttons will also make you a screenshot. And honestly, that is all of the prominent features about the screenshot on this phone. You can use things like accessibility menu or sidebar to take them as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.